Hi everyone. We are going to learn how to find the equation of a line that is perpendicular to the another line using the gradient method. Now here's the key idea. If two lines are perpendicular, their gradients multiply together to give -1. What it means, if I'll take the gradient of one line as m1 and the gradient of a other line as m2, and if I multiply both the gradients of the lines, that should come equals to -1 if the lines are perpendicular. So I have written here two equations. Let's find out these two lines are perpendicular to each other or not by using the same concept. So for that, we will compare the first equation with y is equals to m1x plus c1 to calculate what is the value for m1. So I write down below the equation 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2. So that means the value for m1 is 1 by 2. Similarly, I'll compare the next equation with y is equals to m2x plus c2 to calculate the value for m2. I'll write down here y is equals to minus 2x plus 3. And if I'll compare, I will get the value for m2 is equals to -2. So let's multiply both the gradients. m1 into m2 is equals to 1 by 2 into -2. And if I simplify it, I will get the answer equals to -1. That means these two lines are perpendicular lines because the multiplication of the gradient is equals to -1. Now, suppose if these sort of equations are given to you and you have to find out whether the lines are perpendicular to each other or not, first of all, we have to convert these equations in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So these equations are not in this form. We have to convert them. So for that, what we will do, we will take x and the number value to the other side and we'll leave y on the left hand side. So when I'll take these two values on the other side, what will happen here? Their signs will change. So I'll get -y is equals to -3x -5. Now since it is -y, we have to calculate the value for y here. So I'll do -y divided by -1 is equals to -3x minus 5 divided by -1 because I have to divide both sides with -1. So this and this will cancel. We'll get y is equals to -3x -1. We have to expand it. -5 over -1. So finally we'll get y is equals to 3x plus 5. Now if I'll compare this equation with y is equals to m1x plus c1, the value for m1 is equals to 3. Similarly, for the next equation, we'll do the same. We'll take all the values to the other side except y. So I'll take x to this side. What I will get here, I'll get here 3y is equals to minus x plus 1. Now we have to divide both sides with 3. I'll do that. Minus x plus 1 over 3. Now this 3 and 3 will cancel. Y is equals to, now we have to expand it. Minus x over 3 plus 1 over 3, and this can be written as y is equals to minus 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3. Now I will compare this equation with y is equals to m2x plus c2, where the value for m2 is -1 over 3. Now we will see these lines are perpendicular or not. So for that we have to multiply the gradients m1 into m2, which is equals to 3 into -1 over 3. And if I'll simplify it, the answer is -1. That means these lines are also perpendicular to each other. So I hope you understand this concept, how to find out that two lines are perpendicular to each other by calculating the gradient of two lines. In the next video, we will take this a step further using this perpendicular gradient to actually write the equation of a line. So don't miss it. Subscribe to my channel, like the videos and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.